To use a spectrophotometer, first start by turning the instrument on. Select standard methods by pressing 1. Select single wavelength by pressing 1. And type in your desired wavelength that you will measure your solution at. Press OK. Fill a cuvette half full with your blank solution. And you'll see on the cuvette it has 2 frosted sides of glass, and on one clear side it has an arrow. Use a Chem wipe to wipe away any debris on the clear side of the cuvette, and insert the cuvette into the instrument, lining up the arrow on the cuvette with the arrow on the instrument, and the frosted glass towards you. Push down firmly on the cuvette to insert it. Press the blue button to zero the instrument. When the instrument reads 0, remove the cuvette from the slot. Fill another cuvette half full with your analyte solution and do the same thing, wiping the clear sides of the cuvette with your Chem wipe. Insert the cuvette so that the frosted glass is towards you and the arrows line up with the arrow on the instrument, and push down firmly and then click the green button to take your reading. Record your absorbance reading and remove the cuvette from the instrument. And when you're finished, click the red stop button and power the instrument down.